Hi, Viktor here. We are still under lockdown. We haven't reached the tip of the curve in Spain. Italy has just extended the curfew for another 2 weeks, and the situation in the States is becoming dramatic. We're really sorry about everything that is going on, but we're going to try to keep things together over here. We have too much at stake. I'm using this downtime to remind you of some old stories that have defined this organization and this group. As you know, we specialize on stream rescue, on taking animals and taking cases that have been rejected by every other organization and by every other animal hospital. Cases that had no hope. Over the years, we have shown the world that there is always hope. If you work hard enough, if you have a good enough team, and if you put all your resources to the service of those that you're trying to help. And there is no rescue that personifies what we are all about more than Sky. Sky is a dog that was rescued in Romania, suffered terrible injuries on his head. You will see them in a second. And then he went to Germany, and from there they asked help for him. This is the moment when Sky came to us. This is the first time that I saw him. That image changed me, and it also changed this organization. Have a look. This is Sky's rescue.
Hola a todos, este creo que es el momento más esperado por todos vosotros y por nosotros también desde hace mucho tiempo. Es el momento de deciros que todo ha ido bien. Por primera vez Sky está comiendo por sí solo.
So after months of daily treatments, after 3 surgeries, one of them a groundbreaking surgery where we basically built a new jaw for him, Sky recovered completely. So it was time to bring him home, bring him to the couple that rescued him from Romania in the first place and that asked for our help. This is the moment when I took Sky home.
You got hurt, someone did you wrong. I can see it in your eyes, it's like your fire is gone. Across your face, it is written across your face. If you wanna talk, I'm right here, not gonna leave your side. Just feel free to open up when the moment's right. Across your face, it is written across your face. If you wanna go out, we can go out. You can hide away just for one night. But if you wanna cry, just let it out. I'm by your side now. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. take your pain away, 'cause I hate seeing tears streaming down your face. I know you're strong, won't feel this way for long, no. If you wanna go out, we can go out. We can hide away just for one night. But if you wanna cry, just let it out. I'm by your side now. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down, I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. I know you'll get up again. Better stand up tall, I know you can be brave, 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 brave. I know you can be brave, 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 brave. If you wanna go out, we can go out. Brave, brave, brave. We can hide away just for one night. Brave, brave, brave. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down, I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. I know you'll get up again. Better stand up tall, I know you can be brave, 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 brave. I know you can be brave, 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 brave. Brave, 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 brave. Brave, brave, brave.
So what happened to Sky after I left him home? Well, he's having a great life. He has lots of friends. He's a very pampered and spoiled doggy. And to see his images in the update group that we have for him is just amazing. His injuries are completely recovered. He never had any other problems. He can eat, he can bite, he can chew normally. He's a very, very happy dog. And his story just basically exemplifies and it shows what we can do when we work together and why all of this is worthy. So today I wanted to use Sky's story to remind you of what we do, of who we are, of the incredible work that we've done and we will continue doing after all this passes. But to remain alive, to remain functioning as an organization, we need you right now. Last month, the level of donations basically dropped completely. It was the worst month we ever had. And if things continue like this, we might not be around for too long. So today, I want to make an appeal using Sky's name, using Betsy's name, and Nancy, and all the other animals that we have saved. We have so many friends. If you guys give us a hand today, we will be able to continue saving lives. So please, if you can, there is a PayPal link at the bottom of this video. You can donate there, or you can also join us on our Patreon page and stick with us for the long run. Please, we need you. Help us continue saving lives. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
you.